Hey guys, it's Kitty. Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be doing a slime video, and I'm gonna be doing some of my cousins. So here they are. This is my cousin, Victoria and Natalia. So our challenge gonna be who can make the biggest bubble.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's get started. Tip, put it in here.
Okay, so you need to poke it, put it on your finger,
then
and
poke
it
so you can make a big bubble.
Yeah. Oh, mine's popped.
Ooh. Oh my god, it's so hard. I did it. I made a bubble. The crunches, guys. The crunches.
Noises, wow.
So we're basically just going to be playing around with our slime.
Yeah.
And showing y'all slime tips, so yeah.
And
we
this
should
one
tape it and delete this out.
Here, we're done with the pop-ups.
Okay, so Juliana came in.
Our friend is here now. No, it's my sister.
Okay, so I did it into a ball because it's better. Then put it right here and then...
Yeah, it's Toad's better.
Oh my god.
Oh my god,
Juliana.
You're so funny. Oh, dang it. Dang it, guys. Dang it.
Oh, nuts.
Oh my god, she is so funny. Oh, and also tomorrow we're probably going to be doing the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, guys.
We're gonna get sick.
My mom said to go to sleep and go pick up that water.
Which water?
The one right there.
Okay.
And go to sleep.
Okay. But we're making a video. So tomorrow we're going to be doing the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge.
Probably.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are. We actually doing
Maybe.
a video.
Probably.
So tomorrow we're going to be sneaking, and they told us to go to bed, but we're going to be, again, not following the rules, right?
Mm-hmm. So, do you want to sit here?
This is probably so not hard. Because we don't have a fan.
Wait. Do you want to make another video since we're talking on it?
Yeah, we're probably gonna show them our fort that we're gonna build.
A fort?
Yeah, the fort that we made.
Wait, are we gonna post this one?
So yeah. See you guys next time. Bye.